G'day and welcome to my garage.
This is the spacer pin, or more correctly, this is the pin for the larger jaw. I made the pins from 9.5, 9.6 mil stock, and I have to reduce it down to now 8 millimeters. Okay, I've got 0.14 to go. .05 to go, and I moved the cross slide so I've lost my place. Beautiful fit. Very nice fit indeed. Alright, let's see how this fits up. I just got to give this a light file in the lathe. Be back. I just gave the pin a light file in the lathe, and let's try again. That came out fine. These aren't the final screws. I've got button heads on order. Shouldn't be too long. So now for the can't remember what it's called now. But this one's a nut up here, and this is just a journal. So I'll start making this one. Oh no, I have to finish this one. I still I still have the what have I got here? These blocks should be the right size. Yeah, that is. They've been reamed out to 8mm. So I need to make what have I got? 1, 2, 3, 6. So there's is there one missing? I'm sure I made six of these. So there's one missing somewhere. I'll find it. But I do have to make one for this. I haven't made that one yet. Alright. I'll go and find the one for here, which is for the large jaw. And we'll machine that up down to 8. That one down to 8mm. That one at 8mm. Or 7.96. Alright. See if I can find that lost one. This is the second small pin, jaw pin. I was wondering why the head of the bolt screw wasn't bottoming all the way out. I had this problem before. The thread doesn't go to the head quite, so I've got to countersink it. Bright spark. Get my big fat hands in there. Come on, start. No, you're going to have to move. What's going on? That's it. There's two of these. There's one in each thing, so there's obviously two. This is the threaded pin, so it will go in this position. .81. Just make sure both of these are the same. So 26.1. The other one's got to come down a bit in length, but I'm just cleaning the ends of these up a bit. The end of this gets turned down to roughly 6mm to pivot here. Was it here? There, that's it. It's very simple. It's got two 6mm bosses on it with a 10M10 thread through it. So I shall continue to make these both the same size. 6.8. Alright, I'll knock this down to 26.1. Uh, 8.55. I need a little bit under 8, so it shouldn't fit. I had to review the video. I said the threaded pin goes in this one. It doesn't. It goes in the one up here with for the main screw. Well, that's for the main screw too, but that's just the bearing. That one. This is a threaded one. So at least another half mil to come off. That's a quarter in radius. So it should be down to 8.05 or something. No, it's down to 8. Yep. It fits, but it just needs a breath taken off. Okay, that fits very nicely. That's a good fit. Just clean that up a little bit on the edges. All right, let's see if it fits. Yeah, it's a nice clean fit to the shoulder, and it will fit. We'll just quickly put that together to make sure things are right, and then I've got to drill and tap the M8 thread. Okay, and that turns nice and free. Very little side movement. Alright, so M10 thread. Just tossing whether to do that in the drill press or on the mill. I'll sort that one out. This is the pilot drill for the threaded pin. The cross hole. It's going to be an M10 thread. I've started the thread. I think I'm going to have to now go over to the bench to finish it. Well, I'm back. I'm back from the vise and the drill press and the tapping, and both of those are now drilled and tapped M10. So on to what's the next? I can't remember what it's called. This one here. The bearing pin. Bearing pin. It's a simple enough arrangement. Let's just go out a little bit. So three-quarter pin with two flats and the two bosses either side. Now this is not threaded and tapped. This is just a plain hole. Hence why they called it a bearing pin. Alright, off to the line. Just cleaning up the cut edges on these blanks. These are the bearing pin, was it? Saw leaves it a bit rough, so we'll just clean it up and then we'll measure it. Okay, let's measure these. We've got the sunshine coming in. I hope this comes out. It's nearly there. That should be 8 mil, but it's going to be a little bit less than 8. No, 8.14. 8.1. That's it. What did that come out to be? .04. I think that's what we were before. Anyhow, it fits. Still got to check that depth. .77, and I need 5.68. 0.6. So we've got 3.32 to come off. That's it. Okay, this is the other side to that first pin. So you've got 5.7 now. We'll see. Beautiful fit. I'm after 13.5, yeah. Well, it fits in there now.
.4. Alright, we'll just clean these edges up.
That's all I was after. Alright, I'll do the second one.